Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Ninja Turtle, Michelangelo's Funko Pop, also known as a vinyl pop. So I'm going to unbox this. There are two of them in each box. So I believe the retail is about 24 something, but depends what character it is. They range from 70 to 80 or 90 bucks resale. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up for you guys. So to find out what character it is. Let's go ahead and go through one by one. Wow, this special protector to protect against damage. So this one's the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle by Nickelodeon, Pop Television, and then 1019. Michelangelo with the surfboard. That's the barcode number right there, or the UPC code, and it is made in China. So you get to collect all of them. Give you guys a quick peek real quick. There you go. Wow, he's holding a surfboard. Kawabanga Comic-Con. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the second one. What? So both of them are the same, the surfboard. So yeah, since both of them are the same, I'm not going to open it up. So yeah, and these are the limited edition, which is gonna be collectible. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below, so you guys don't miss any of the unboxing, review, repair guide, or anything like that, or new products. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.